very excited about today's cut. Some of you may remember I did do a short on it, but I feel like, I was testing the cell phone with some different settings and stuff, and I just don't think it got the attention that it deserved, and you weren't able to actually see the details and everything that was going on with this cut. So I wanted to share it here so you guys can see it because I'm so excited. It's freaking awesome. I totally was thrown off, unexpected, just like blown away. Okay, so here's what it looks like dry. Pretty plain and, like a rock. Whoop, almost knocked the camera over. Let me get this wet so you guys can get a good look at it. Like, I was super stoked. When I cut it open, I thought it was going to be kind of like what I've been finding, the sandstone that's like mineralized and kind of opalish. It just has some kind of maybe silica or whatever in it. Oh. Ta-da! Here it is wet. It looks like a steak on a plate. Get in there so you can see it. It's got some really cool lines going this way. Some really awesome texture going on there. You guys can see that. Here's the other side. Kind of see the lines going east and west there. But what really got me is this kind of almost hatch pattern right there. And I was like, when I cut a rock that has this, it's usually a good rock. Like, it usually has something in it, like something cool. So, are you guys ready? Dee-dee-dee. I get down here so you can see better. Here we go. Look at this. Is that not freaking awesome? I couldn't show all this detail in the short with my macro lens here. I can get nice and close so we can see it where it's like a, I don't know, like brecciated or just, I don't even know what to call it. It feels like there's some sandstone in there. I feel some rough areas. But then it has where it's, cemented in there, filled in. I believe it's going to be, like, particularly like opalized sandstone, but I'm just not, because it's not. Let's look at this other half here. And I was wondering, because like I was cutting it, and I was like, why is this so hard to cut? Actually, you can see the blade mark here. I had to turn it around and come in from the other direction, because I hit in here, this hard spot. Yeah, so I'm not sure what kind of mineral it is, but, it's silica or opal or chert, some quartz. Maybe it's a quartzite, where it used to be sandstone, and then the quartz is taken over, or what? Not me. It's just super cool. And it's like all these little red areas are outlined with the black. They're little dendrites, little black dendrites in there. See them? And they outline the red areas. I find like the craziest stuff, I swear. I mean, look at that. I can literally just stare at it for hours. And it does react, it does glow with the UV light. Not a lot, but it does. So I'm kind of similar to how the chert reacts. Like that. There we go. Had to focus that. What do you guys think? Any clues? Suggestions? It reminds me of like a Picasso painting. There's like some mountains in here, a big mountain up there, or like little teepees in a valley, and then there's a mountain up there. Sun being right here. Whatever it is, it's freaking awesome. Look at that. That's already dry now, which is so cool. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.